Hello children. Hello students. Very good morning. Myself Alket Tripathi from LPM Public School. Dear students, we shall discuss about the tropical and subtropical regions, that is chapter 12. And this chapter will enable us to know about the regions on the earth, that is tropical and subtropical. First of all, the Amazon basin. Where is this basin located? What is the importance of this basin? Physical features. All such types of things will come out. First of all, let us study about the physical basin. Located in South America, the Amazon basin extends between the Brazilian highlands in the south and Guyana highland in the north. The Andes Mountains form the western boundary and the Atlantic Ocean is located in the east. The river basin is the largest in the world, covering an area of about 7 million square kilometers. The river Amazon, popularly called Solimões, rises in the snow-laden Andes Mountains and flows eastward into the Atlantic Ocean. It is the world's largest river in terms of volume of water it carries and the second longest river with a length of about 6,400 kilometers. It meanders across a wide floodplain, forming a great mosaic of lakes or lagos, ponds, and river channels known as arroyos and paranos. The low-lying plains are flooded annually and form swamps in many places. The soil in this region contains fertile alluvium. The Amazon basin or Amazonia is the world's largest equatorial rainforest where resides a wealth of life richer than anywhere else on earth. The basin is drained by the river Amazon and its tributaries such as Madeira, Rio Negro, and Jingo. Climate. As the Amazon basin is located in the equatorial region, it receives the vertical rays of the sun throughout the year, and so the climate here is hot and wet throughout the year. The average temperatures range between 25 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. The annual rainfall here is over 250 centimeters and it rains almost every day. The rainfall is usually convectional in nature and usually takes place in the afternoon. Natural vegetation. The dense evergreen tropical rainforest known as the selvas, occupy most parts of the Amazon basin. These forests form a thick canopy with creepers, climbers, and lianas. Epiphytes and giant ferns, and are difficult to penetrate. Therefore, they have limited commercial value. Trees are broad-leaved hardwoods with thick barks such as mahogany, rubber, ebony, rosewood, corozo, palm, cocoa, dimona, dive, and cinchona. These hardwood trees provide material for construction, furniture making, etc. The bark of the cinchona tree found here is used for making quinine, which cures malaria. Rubber, gums, nuts, cocoa, resins, and cork are the other important forest products. However, these forests are being cleared to provide land for industry, settlements, and agriculture. Wildlife. The dense evergreen Amazon rainforests are home to a wide variety of wildlife, ranging from various types of monkeys, lizards, bats, fishes, and birds. More than 2,000 varieties of fish, including the flesh-eating piranha, piraro, rambeki, and sea animals such as the caiman, turtle, dolphin, and manatee are found in the region. Colorful birds like the hummingbirds, toucans, parrots, etc. Pumas, jaguars, anteaters, armadillo, crocodiles, alligators, and snakes including the anaconda, the largest snake in the world, are found in the region. With persistent hunting, many of these are becoming endangered species. Ants, beetles, and butterflies are also found here. Lives of the people. What type of life people enjoy here? The Amazon basin has been home to humans for a long time. The rainforests of this region are now an integral part of the vast and enormously biodiverse ecosystem spread across the basin. The interior of the forest is inhabited by tribal people who practice hunting, gathering, and fishing as their primary occupations. Many of these were nomadic tribes who move from as mess. They utilize the food at one place. They build temporary leaf shelters on raised platforms to avoid floods and supplemented meat and fish with nuts, berries, tubers, and fruits. The tribes who were more settled land also practice shifting cultivation or slash and burn agriculture, in which they cleared a part of the forest by cutting and burning the vegetation to plant crops such as manioc, yam, cassava, beans, banana, and sweet potatoes. Once a plot of land lost its fertility, they moved on to clear a new patch of forest land. In some parts of the Amazon basin, commercial rubber plantations have also developed, and certain tribes are engaged in tapping rubber from wild trees. Mining has developed in some places, and iron ore, copper, gold, bauxite, manganese, etc. are mined. Some farmers also rear cattle to provide milk and meat. They graze on pastures on the higher slopes. Amazonians mostly live near water. From the typical floating house on huge logs in the river, people spread to villages on the higher ground where they build permanent wooden structure, sometimes on stilts. Most towns serve as market centers for products of the surrounding lands. For example, Brazil nuts, wood, fish, and even iron ore, oil, and bauxite, which are mined in the area. That's all. Rest we shall discuss in the next video.